What is the time? What is the time? What is the time? What is the time? Aren't you listening? Aren't you listening? Are you mad? Look at the time. Where were you? By the way, why have you come late?
Actually, brother, my semester has been started and I needed some books. And I also told you about it, but you were busy working in your office. So I went to bring some books.
Then why didn't you call me?
Brother, I called you many times, but you didn't receive any call.
Don't tell a lie. When have you called me? Show me. Show me.
Brother, please check your phone again. I'm not telling a lie.
Oh, I'm not free like you. I was busy in meeting. By the way, why didn't you call me again?
Actually, brother, we were stuck in the traffic, so I forgot.
Am I looking fool? I never got stuck in traffic. You are telling a lie that you were stuck in traffic. Don't tell a lie.
I am not telling a lie. You can ask my friends.
Oh, friend or anybody else. I know with whom you were. Don't try to make me fool. Okay?
No, brother, I was with my friends. You can call them.
Shut up. Nowadays, why are you coming late and what types of things you are studying? I know very well.
Why are you saying like that? I just got late because of the traffic. That's it. And I don't have any interest in these kind of things. And if I go anywhere, it doesn't mean I am with a boy, girl and anybody else. Don't you go anywhere with your friends?
But now you are going to argue with me. They are my colleagues, not my friends. I don't have time to waste like you.
No, brother, I didn't mean that you are wasting time. I just said if you can visit with your friends here and there, then why can't I?
Okay, now you are going to teach me. Have you forgotten that? Only I earn money and feed you. So you have to do what I want. That's it.
I know that, but it doesn't mean that you are going to govern me. Don't I have freedom to go anywhere?
No, you don't have. I'm going to get you married. I can't bear you anymore.
What? I don't want to get married. I want to become a doctor. I want to treat those people who don't have money to get themselves treated in a good hospital.
Shut up. I don't want to listen anything.
I don't want to get married, and even it's illegal, and I am underage. The age of marriage is 18 and I am only 16, and if you force me, then I have to complain against you.
Get up. Get out from here.
What happened? Why did you slap her?
Ask her.
Do you know, I heard everything. You always keep on beating and scolding us.
Shut up. Now just go and do your work.
You just torture us because we lost our parents at early age and you have been feeding us since our childhood.
You are my responsibility. I alone keep earning. Now I am not able to work. So I want to get her married as soon as possible.
You have been taking care of us. It doesn't mean that you can do anything. She just told you that she got late because she went to bring her books. Even she called to inform you.
Don't try to make me fool. I know you very well. You keep on enjoying your life. Have you ever thought about me? Since we lost our parents, how I have been able to manage everything.
You were elder in the family, so you did everything. If I were, I would also have to do it. It's natural.
It's easier than done.
You are not only who has to maintain his family members. Billions of people are in the world who has to face such circumstances.
Shut up! Mind your own business.
What? I mind my business. But she is my younger sister, so I have to take care of hers. No doubt, you did many things for us. But it doesn't mean you can do anything with us.
If I were not there, nobody would help you. And even you would not be alive. Don't forget that.
Are you mad? How she can marry? She is underage now.
I don't want to listen anything. I have decided to get her married. And this is my final decision.
I won't marry at any cost.
I can't feed you forever. I'm going to get you married.
No problem. I will feed her forever. Don't worry. But now you cannot get her married.
No more discussion. I'm going to get her married. That's it. By the way, what job do girls have to do except taking care of the house?
Let her complete her schooling. She wants to become a doctor. And she is just 16 years old. How can you get her married?
What will she do after studying so much? She is a girl. After all, she only has to manage her family like cooking, cleaning and all. She has studied enough to know the basics.
Oh, it is not like that. Girls are doing everything nowadays. This is modern era. Change your thinking level and go and read about Kalpana Chawla, P.T. Usha and many more. Most of the college, university and UPSC toppers are the girls nowadays. Girls can do everything nowadays. And the biggest example is our mother.
I don't want to listen anything. I just want to get her married at any cost. I can't bear you anymore. And after getting married, my work will be done.
Brother, please don't get her married. Let her complete her dream. She wants to become a doctor. I will walk around the clock and I will teach her. If you are not, we can do together.
No more words. Did you understand? I will get her married anyhow.
You should not force her to marry. She wants to complete her dreams. And we should help her completing her dreams.
I will get her married even I have to force her.
Oh, I will not let it happen anyhow.
Bihu? Bihu? Where are you? Bihu, I have finalized your marriage.
I can't marry now. Please, brother, I can't get married. Please don't get me married. Please don't get me married.
Bihu, I don't want to listen anything.
Don't worry. Get up. Get up. I will do something.
I know you are also involved in this. Don't tell a lie.
What are you talking about? I always wanted your best and would want
Then why didn't you forbid him? I will leave this house. Even if I have to beg, I would do that. But I would complete my dreams.
Arey, don't worry. I will not let it happen. I will make him understand. It is not easy to get anyone married forcefully. And you have not eaten anything. Just go and have some food. Go.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. No. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you. Pihu,
Yes, brother.
come first.
Coming.
Pihu, I have finalized your marriage. Get ready for your marriage. I am having to give dowry for this marriage.
Okay, as you wish.
Yes. Yeah. Now you are married. Just go and take care of your family.
Okay, brother.
Yeah, it has been many years. We have not met our sister. I think that we should meet her once. Where is she and how?
I don't care. Get me a glass of water. By the way, what happened? Is there any problem? She is asking for money or anything else?
What are you talking about? How can you know about her? Even I don't have any contact number of hers. And she has left her house where she used to live.
Arey, don't talk about her. I don't want to listen anything about her. Get a glass of water for me.
Wait, I'm bringing.
Here is my medicine.
What happened, brother? Brother, what happened? Open your eyes, brother. What happened, brother? What happened, brother? Oh, wait, I'm calling. I'm calling, brother. Hello, doctor. Hey doctor, look at my brother. He is very uncautious.
Show me, where is the patient?
Sister, what are you doing here?
I'm a doctor. What happened? Why have you come here? Is everything okay?
No, nothing is okay. Your brother got heart attack. Please save him.
What? What are you talking about? Let me check. Go outside. He will be fine. I'm checking. Don't worry.
Brother,
Now he is fine. You can meet him after half an hour.
brother, are you okay now?
Yes, okay. Who saved me? I was thinking that I would not be alive anymore, but God saved me.
Yes, brother.
By the way, who is the doctor? Who saved me? I want to meet the doctor.
Brother, she is a lady doctor who saved you, but she does not want to meet you.
But why? I really want to thank the doctor who saved me. Please call her.
Okay, I am going to get her. Wait.
Pihu? How did you come here?
Brother, she is the doctor who saved you.
I never loved you. I misbehaved with you. I did not allow you to study. Still, you saved me.
It's not like that. It's our responsibility to save all patients. If anybody were there, still I would try my best to save him.
I am extremely sorry for that. I had negative thinking that girls can't do anything. But it's not like that. You have proved that girls can do anything, no matter what the situation is.
We had broken the relationship with you. We never cared you. But you worked hard to be successful, and you proved that if we work hard, then we can achieve our goals, no matter what the situation is.
It's okay, brother.
Please come to our house. We would always love you. Girls deserve everything.
Do you know, brother, girls have to manage two families. So we should love them and empower them.